So this is the Field King Professional Backpack Sprayer. This is exactly how it came out of the box. It's already got the cord attached here to the bottom of the sprayer. This is the pumping handle, and it's actually pretty stout, pretty heavy duty feeling. This is the end of the wand that goes on, and you have a package with a bolt and all the tips and different things like that to put it together. So I'm going to go ahead and get it put together and charge it up and show you how it works. So here's the tips that come in the bag. You have 3 different fan type tips down here: small fan, medium fan, large fan. This is a pinpoint, like a straight stream. This is an adjustable from a straight stream to a mist configuration, like a cone. This is a foaming tip that you can use, and it comes with a little grommet here. Comes with that. This model actually has this spray optimizer that you put on here, which it limits the spray on the end to 25 PSI, so you always have a consistent flow out of the end. It's got the bolt here for attaching the handle, which can go on either this side or that side, depending on which way you want to set it up. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to be using the wand with my right hand, so I'm going to put the handle on the left side.